Welcome back to MBE. Today we're going to go over our heavy nitrous MBE BIG-9 cylinder head. I know a lot of you have seen the BIG-9 videos before, but we just want to show it with a sheet metal intake on it with 2 carburetors or fuel injection, however you would like to do it. So that's what we have here. So this is like something like this would be 1,000 horsepower in nitrous running on a 9-degree valve angle, and it works and it makes more power and it's nitrous friendly, all because of the chamber design. Okay, so MBE BIG-9 heavy nitrous, all the standard stuff. If we look at the rocker arms, 1-piece rocker bar like we spoke about in the other videos. No crazy offsets on the intake rockers. A normal Big Chief will have offsets triple of this on 2 of the rockers. Not at MBE. We designed this rocker system with T&D, so it's correct. Okay, so no crazy offsets, so no issues in valve train anymore. Okay, plus we have 23 fasteners holding this bar on. Okay, a single bar. So not only, now this one, if you look at this rocker, for instance, why this is important, we have this intake rocker here. Well, it's supported by both of these exhaust rockers here. No different than this one is supported by the 2 intakes. So it makes everything extremely rigid. So you're actually getting the valve lift that you think you're getting. Unlike the other one, if you do a single pedestal, you know, it has so much deflection in it. And you know what? And we're not living in 1990 anymore, you know, and that's what we do here at MBE. We bring things up to date. It doesn't cost any more to do this, so we do it here correctly. We don't wait on the manufacturers to do it. Okay, so when you come over here, you know, for the power adders, you know, we do hat washers for them, so you don't. So if you have to pull a head off, you burn a piston, you plug a nozzle or something. Now we have hat washers in them, so you don't have to run a washer with your nut. So they come with that. Most of our heads, we do have an option for that. It's about $450. That includes the hat washers and the machining and the pressing of them in. And normal deal though, MBE BIG-9, big exhaust flow numbers, huge intake flow numbers, over 600 on a 1020 bench. On a 600 bench, this would probably go 630 CFM. We do guarantee the 1020 numbers, like I said, but if you go into 600, it's going to flow more air. But the most important thing is, there's not a Big Chief style head out there that will make more power than the BIG-9, and it's been like that for 4 years. So, big power, nitrous friendly with the MBE anti-deto chamber, and we always have these in process. So if you come over here, you can look. So they came in raw. Now we've done all the rocker system has been put in them. The spring pockets we've machined in them. The guide bores have been put in. Seat bores have been put in. So the next step, it'll go back on the machine. We'll finish putting the seat bore in on the exhaust. We'll press the exhaust seat in, and then they'll go for finish porting, and guides. We'll put guides and we'll do the finished porting, and these will be finished. So like I said, these are basically in inventory. We always have a couple sets in inventory in different, we have a small port, a large port exhaust, a small port, large port intake, depending on RPM, depending on your cubic inch, and all of those we can dictate here to make sure you make the most power. And then we come over here, and we have the finished version. Okay, this is not the anti-deto chamber. This would be normally aspirated here, just so you kind of see a little bit of both. But this is the finished versions. As you can see, the machine work is absolutely perfect. It's because we don't CNC on machines that weigh 8,000 pounds. We machine on machines that weigh 29,000 pounds. That's the difference when you come to MBE. We put the money in the machinery and the people to make sure that the end user gets an excellent product. Thank you for watching this video on the MBE nitrous friendly BIG-9.